Who am I? Who am I? Like, this doesn't even feel real. It doesn't even feel like it's my life. I might cry. Hey guys, so today I have a super, oh, that sound is just gonna be on. Give me a second. So today I have a super duper exciting vlog. Obviously you guys already know by the title. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna name the title. But anyways, I'm going on a trip with Rimmel London to Montreal. I can't even believe I'm saying that. For a secret project, which I cannot tell you guys, but it's gonna be super cool. And yeah, basically they're flying me to Montreal and I'm so excited. For those of you not from Canada and aren't really aware, I'm based in Toronto and Montreal's 6 hours by driving from here, but the flight's like an hour, so it's in a different province basically. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited and I'm gonna vlog as much as I can for you. I can't show you too much details because again, it's a secret project, but yeah, I'm so excited. Hey guys, so we're at the airport now with Megan. This is what everyone does when you have a YouTube channel. I know. Have dinner together. Yeah. Picked up in a nice car. Oh, that's so look how good that looks. We just got picked up and we're about to go. Hello. So I am in my hotel. Oh my gosh, this room is so huge. It's like the size of an apartment, literally. I'm gonna show you guys a room tour. My view is not cute. It's actually kind of creepy, the view. But the hotel is amazing. So let me give you guys a quick room tour. When you open the door, literally, this is how big the room is. So let's go into the washroom. And then here's me. It's what I wore to the airport, just my Calvin Klein sweats and a black crop. We have a cute tub. Everything's very nice, very pretty. Where's the toilet? Oh, okay. There's a separate thing for it. And we have a cute painting. I guess it's the closet. We'll just check it out, you know, just to make sure there's like nobody in there. You never know. Literally, I opened both of them to check. And then now I have the kitchen. I have no idea how to turn that light on, so I'm sorry. We have the kitchen, that's me again. And the table, nice seating area. Oh my god, this is literally huge. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And then we come right over here. And then, okay guys, so there's a room tour. As you guys can see, it's huge. I feel, it's like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like it's my life that a brand would actually like fly me out to do something really exciting, which I can't mention by the way, but like that they would want to invest in me like this. I feel so grateful, so thank you so much, Rimmel London. Like, who am I? Who am I? Like, this doesn't even feel real. It doesn't even feel like it's my life. I might cry. I think I'm getting teary. Oh my god. I can't even believe this. Like, I cannot believe this is my life. Oh my gosh. You know, you look at people on YouTube and Instagram, you're like, oh my god, look, they're going here, they're going there, it looks so cool, that must be amazing. And to like be that person doing that, it just feels like, what? I'm so thankful for all of you. Thank you to all of you guys, of course, as well, because obviously I wouldn't be here without you guys. It's like, I'm probably gonna change now, but yeah. Guys, I just realized how dry my lips are. I am so sorry. I traveled, like when I go in the air, my lips just get so dry, and I didn't notice until right now. Don't worry, I'm gonna be exfoliating my lips tonight, so it will be all good for tomorrow. But that looked really bad. I'm so sorry. Guys, so I am going to dinner with Megan.
Now I have energy. I had a coffee.
This place is so cute. Literally feels like we're like,
I feel like we're in Paris.
Right? Like somewhere, like, I don't know, it's just so cute. Look how cute she looks, and I'm wearing the same clothing because I don't have the shorts out, so I'm in my sweats, but I threw on a denim jacket. And yeah, so pretty. Some workout.
You're vlogging in my vlog!
Well, this is what I see on YouTube. This is the first time I'm vlogging with someone that vlogs. So, that's the
Show!
Vlog wars? I'd probably lose because I suck at vlogging. I suck. Look how pretty that looks. Today's the morning of the little project, well not little, but like project we're working on with Rimmel, and I am so nervous. So nervous. I'm like excited and nervous all at the same time. I'm just nervous because I don't know really what to expect exactly. So I was gonna cut, like I have to go with my complexion already. So I was gonna show you guys myself doing the complexion, but then I realized there's like another part into it which I can't really show you guys. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to show you guys some of the products I'm going to use from Rimmel. It's going to be like full face of Rimmel, obviously. But yeah, saying that, you guys always ask me for drugstore tutorials. I'm going to have lots coming soon. So let me just show you guys the stuff I'm going to be using on my face. Okay, so by the way, I'm going like this because it's the only place I can like put this down. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the stuff because I don't want to give away too much. But we're going to be using this foundation. This is their lasting finish breathable foundation. It's a really nice foundation and this color matches me perfectly. I've yet to find a drugstore foundation that matches me perfectly. This one matches me really well. And this is in the shade... Where is the shade? Oh, 503 Mocha. So love that. It's a very natural kind of finish on the skin, I would say, hence the name Breathable. And I've been really loving this brow pencil too. I remember a lot of you guys asked me a cheaper version for the ABH brow wiz, and this one's actually really good. Like, I like it way more than I thought I would. And this is their eyebrow pencil in the shade brown, black brown, so it's like really dark, which I love. And then we're gonna be using their powder, which is also really nice. I thought it would give like a really gray flashback, but it does not. And then we're gonna be using their highlight illuminizer contour palette all together. This is their Kate line, I believe, and this is in the 003 golden bronze. So and the next thing is their concealer. As you guys can tell, I've been using it a lot, and this is their lasting finish 24-hour breathable concealer in the shade medium dark, and this is definitely like a highlighting shade for me, which is perfect. I love the color of this shade. I also have another one which is more so like the same exact skin tone as mine. This is 600, so they do have darker shade. And yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead, do my makeup, and then I will see you guys. When do I see you guys? When I'm actually at the shoot. So yeah. Hi guys, so I'm just in Vippy's driveway. Let me see if the lighting is okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm at Vippy's driveway, just waiting for my friends. I didn't vlog anything in the photo shoot. Guys, okay, I was so nervous when I was going there that like as soon as I got there, I just like got to it and I just was like go go go, like, you know. Don't get me wrong, like everyone in there was like super nice and like they were just so nice. I had an amazing time. So thank you again so much, Rimmel London, for the opportunity. Like I just like even now, like I can't believe it's something that I actually got to experience, and like the opportunity itself is amazing. But yeah, when I got there I was like so nervous. Like you guys have no idea, I've been like so nervous. I lost sleep for like a week leading up to that day because I was so nervous. So when I got there I just kind of wanted to like do everything and like, you know, like make them like, I don't know how to say this in a nice way, like make sure they didn't like regret choosing me. I wanted to make sure like I did a good job and whatever. So like I was so concentrated on the project itself, I totally forgot to vlog. I'm so sorry. I feel horrible because like obviously that was like a main thing, but regardless I wasn't gonna be able to vlog anything. Like I would have showed you like some products and like maybe like the setup for the project and stuff, but I wouldn't be able to show you guys much. So I hope you guys don't mind that I didn't show that. And I know you probably expected this vlog to be something else, so because of that, oh, and I did meet up with a friend after too, but I chose not to vlog that just because I didn't show anything with the thing, so I just decided to keep it off from that. So saying that, I know you guys probably expect more from this vlog, so I am going to vlog today, which is Victoria Day. So we're going to go to a barbecue with my friends at a park. So yeah, I'll take you guys along with me for that. People are just driving by as I'm talking to myself. Awkward. Oh, never mind, that's my friend. I think that's my friend. Yeah, it's Ranesh. So yeah, just letting you guys know.